ho! Hello, everybody. Santa Larry here with Giant Recreation World. 3 locations, Winter Garden, Palm Bay, and Ormond Beach. And look, looks like I've been very good. Giant Recreation World's got a lot of gifts. Let's see what we got going on. Whoo! Lifetime RV warranty. That's the gift that keeps on giving. Ho, ho, ho! Let's see what else we get at Giant Recreation World. Ooh, it's a big one. Priority RV Network membership. Wherever you go, you're in good hands. And what else have we left under the tree? At Giant Recreation World, you get VIP Camping Club, where you can go camping all year long. My sleigh is going to turn into a vacation this year. That's not the only benefits that come at Giant Recreation World when you buy an RV. Make sure you visit any one of our 3 locations, Winter Garden, Palm Bay, Ormond Beach, and we'll tell you all about it. Always shop online also at giantrecreationworld.com.
Giant Recreation World. Enter the world of RVing with us.